Yeah, you got this.
I got this.
Yeah. Well, good morning. So today is an exciting day because it is December 31st, 2018. Woo woo! Amanda's doing her little dancey poo. There she is. I'm still learning this camera. So yes, we are gonna finish the year off really strong here at the office. And yeah, I've got a good vibe. I feel good about this. 2019 is going to be amazing. Yeah, so yes, this morning I went to Walmart. Bigs up to Walmart because they were the only place that made it easy for me to get prints online. That might be because I'm slow, I don't know. But yeah, I had trouble with Staples, Walgreens, and it wasn't the trouble like where I don't know how to drag and drop my file. It was the trouble where like they didn't make it clear what type of print you were getting, but Walmart made that really easy, so thank you, Walmart. And yeah, I will show you guys the prints that I got, because I don't know if I'm posting this video or not because I record a lot and then never post it. But about a week and a half ago, Amanda and I did go to Home Goods, and we got some really pretty picture frames so that we can kind of deck out my office, because my office is looking kind of bare. Amanda's is nice and pretty. Of course, having windows helps. But yeah, let me spin you around here. As you can see, my office needs some help. So yeah, let's get to the prints. Okay, so another issue with my office, and I don't mean to complain, but the lighting in here sucks. So yeah, Amanda has the pretty light where she looks amazing. Yes, do you need my help on something?
No,
Oh no, you can come on in. You know you're not shy. Yeah, if you hear me talking to myself, it's to the camera.
Oh, I know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just don't want it around.
Yeah, no, you're good. So I will show y'all one of the first prints. Once again, big ups. I can't remember the 90s slang to Walmart. First one is this gorgeous print of some birds. Now, when I bought this print off Etsy, I thought it was like cute little sparrows or something like that, but if you look really close, I'm pretty sure it's like geese or something. Geese can be inspirational too, right? As long as they're not Canadian geese, because they poop all over our parking lot. Actually, at this new office, it's not an issue.
They hang out next door.
They hang out next door.
Yeah, not here.
At our old office, you had to dodge the poopies. Okay, let's see what we got next. Okay, so this next print, you know, a little inspo. Now this one I actually had to get reprinted this morning because, as you can see, I kind of smudged it. That was totally my fault. See? Yeah, that was my fault. It had like the tiniest little speck on it, and I was like, I don't do prints often. Girl,
only got one. Any more?
Okay, you got it. You got it, boss. I will just do a little clickety click.
And you got business cards, right? You did say you ordered those.
Actually, I didn't, but I found extras.
But it's the old address.
No. Oh shit.
Yeah, I was like, yes. I was like, what? How did you know we were moving here years ago? I was like, you didn't. I was like, no, she's lying.
Because I manifest.
Yeah, I manifested.
Yeah, I fasted.
Yeah.
I manifested this address 5 years ago.
Yeah. You're like, I will be there.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past. Not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you.
Oh no. No.
You always dare to dream. Oh, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease.
Action!
Action!
Say hello to the girl who I am.
You know how they do that at the beginning of that song. I'm gonna have to see through my perspective. I wanna make mistakes just to learn
Who I am.
and I wanna be so damn protected. I'm gonna be talking to the camera. Okay. So, I just realized that when I said that I film stuff and I don't post it, I actually did just post something today. So it was a video about 3 cystic acne mistakes that I see clients making like all of the time. So make sure that if you haven't seen that video, that you take a look at it. It is on my YouTube channel. So this client used our combination acne kit and she got these fabulous results. I was so thrilled when she sent me these photos. So with combination acne, it's basically a mix of inflamed and non-inflamed acne. So for example, like this right here, or actually this might be easier with the mouse. This right here is inflamed acne. All of this is inflamed. And then these little white slash flesh colored bumps, these are closed comedones. There's some here too. These are all part of the non-inflamed acne category. So again, this client had both inflamed and non-inflamed. So the best kit for her was the combination acne kit. Now with this kit, you do have to pair it with professional extractions because the non-inflamed acne, like these closed comedones, they need to be extracted out. But yeah, you can see she stuck exactly to what was in the kit manual. She stuck to the guidelines, to the product routine, and you can see how gorgeous her skin is now. So yeah, just wanted to share that. These will go up on Instagram sometime soon, but I wanted to show you guys here first.
Start living for the moment, letting go of the past. Yeah. Start cherishing what you.
Well, aren't I the jealous one? Look at this cute card. I won't open it, but one of Amanda's clients got this for her. That's hers. That is so sweet.
It was very sweet.
Yes, Amanda is very beloved here at Luminosity by me and our clients. So Amanda and I were just chatting about if we had any resolutions for 2019. I'm not going to share hers because that's her resolution, but I really liked it a lot. I'll just say that. It was a really good one. One that I will also be partaking in. But maybe I should set this down because this might be a little lengthy. Okay, so here are my 2019 resolutions, and I've got them written down here. I only have a few this year. Normally I do like something that's more like numbers related, but this year I'm changing it up a little bit. Let's see. So one is basically to drink water as soon as I wake up. And if you haven't seen, I did previously make a video on how drinking a bunch of water does not clear up acne, at least not for most of us. And that is also my most hated acne video, because a lot of people think that if you chug enough water, your acne magically goes away. Yeah, Amanda's shaking her head. And all I will say on that is that if that was universally true, dermatologists would not be in business with acne and we would not be in business with acne, but here we are. Okay, so so yes, basically I want to drink water as soon as I wake up in the morning because that just kind of gets me going. Also, if you think about it, you're kind of without water for 8 hours, so you're going to be dehydrated when you wake up, and I just feel like I can think more clearly, I can get out of bed and function easier if I drink my water immediately. So that is that. Oh, and okay, I'm not harping on this, but going back to the water acne video that everyone hates. Yeah, Amanda's laughing at me. Have you ever read the comments to that video?
I'm sure
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're very nice.
Yeah.
I think I have a profanity filter on, so all the cuss words people call me are probably not viewable on that video, but yes. So anyway, what I did want to say though, that nowhere in that video did I say that water does not have a place for healthy skin, but people like to think that I said that in the video. Yeah. Okay, so this is supposed to be positive because it's about I'm just venting. Yeah, let's just vent everything out in 2018.
19 I'm happy.
Yes, exactly. So second one is to journal at least 3 times a week, because in the past when I stick to this, amazing things happen in my life. So the way that I journal is not so much like, wow, my husband pissed me off today and I have to get off my chest. It's more like gratitude lists, hopes, wishes, just fluffy things like that. So I would like to do that at least 3 times a week in 2019. And then the last one is to be more fearless, because I am a person who's like very reserved, very shy, very quiet. So I would just like to be a little more fearless, and this spans in like really everything from like, hey, if there's a cliff to climb, maybe I'll climb it, I don't know. Amanda's like, no, you ain't climbing that cliff. Yeah. If you've been watching my Instagram stories, I can barely climb these steps in the woods by my house. So yeah, I'll definitely be climbing a cliff soon. But yeah, and then also just being more fearless in my business, and just in all aspects of life. So maybe later in the year I'll sit down and write down like some numbers type goals, but right now I just kind of want to leave it simple. And also by these goals, they are a little vague, so hey, I can't fail, right? I mean, I said drink water, I didn't say drink 16 ounces.
1 step.
Yes. So
Reach.
2019, I'm coming for you. Hey loves. Okay, so it is about 11 p.m. I'm obviously back at home right now, and I just wanted to close out this video by just giving a big thank you out there to anyone who's been part of my 2018, even if you've just like left a comment on a YouTube video or on Instagram, sent me a DM, given a like. Obviously, if you're an office client or a kit client, massive thanks to you for supporting Luminosity. But yeah, I just again wanted to thank you for being part of my 2018. I hope that you'll be with me in 2019. And yeah, so I'm basically just, I'm not sure if I'm staying up tonight until midnight. I'm kind of getting old here, but I'm definitely going to finish out journaling. This journal, actually, I started back in 2007. So yeah. And actually, I know I mentioned a little bit about the way that I journal earlier today. In this journal, I mean, there's so many things in here that I wrote down that I wanted to happen and that happened as the years went by. So yeah, I totally believe in the power of like law of attraction and just visualizing and journaling and all of that. So I don't see a better way to close out my 2018 than with a journal entry. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video, and Happy New Year, Happy 2019.